This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back everyone. Today I'll show you how you can investigate any malicious URL, malware, or keylogger using a URL investigation tool. So without wasting time, open your browser, visit my channel, click on the bio, and then click on the TerraBox link. Click on Tool Market, then click on Linux Tools. Scroll down and choose the Sigma Investigation Tool folder. Then click on Save to TerraBox. Choose the path, and click the View button. Now choose the file again and click the Download button. Once the download is complete, go back to your files. Then log into your Linux system. Drag and drop the zip file into it. Extract the file. And finally open your root terminal. Okay, so activate your virtual environment to install the pip packages. Then open your root folder and move the project folder there. Go back to the terminal. Copy the folder name and navigate into it. Type ls again. Install the requirements file. Then type ls once more and run the main file. Okay. Now I'll go to the site where I keep some URLs. Let's try it. I'll copy the first URL, paste it into the terminal, then press enter and wait for the result. It seems I may have used an incorrect URL. I will rerun the tool and test the second URL. Let me go back, copy it again, and paste it into the terminal. Now, let's review the results. As you can see, the analysis indicates the presence of a keylogger and potential injection activity. The output also provides details such as the IP address, domain, and additional information. If you receive any suspicious links, you can analyze them using this tool on Linux. I hope this video was clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support, especially after losing my previous channel. Stay tuned for more tools and upcoming videos.